Hello friends, hope you're all doing good. Today I'm going to do a lash lift and tint on myself for the very first time. So let's do it together. So these are my lashes before. You can see look very bare if I don't have a mascara or a kajal in it. So I just thought of giving it a try. So let's get started. So yeah, just to let you know, if you feel my eyes are not contacting you, it's because I'm looking at myself in the screen. Okay, so let's just get started. Okay, so very first thing, cleanse. We're gonna cleanse my lashes really well. So I have the lash shampoo here, and I'm gonna use a brush to clean my lashes. I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I've never done this before. I've only done it on other people. So I'm a little nervous, but excited at the same time. Okay. I'll clean the other one and be right back. All right, so step one done. Next step is to check what shield or rod size I'm gonna use to lift my lashes. So I'll just go through a few of the shields and the rods to see what size I want. So this is a rod and I was thinking of using it, but I feel it's gonna give me a very deep curl that I don't want. I want a very naturally lifted look. So this is a no. This is medium 1. It says M1 here. And please don't judge. They're not dirty. They are very, very clean. It's just that they get stained with the product to be reused. So I don't like use a new one every single time, but I clean them really nicely and then use it. But the color has changed because it has stained because of the tint. So let's see. So this size is too big for my lashes because my lashes are not even going halfway on it. So this was M1. Now I'm gonna try M. And I don't know if that also is gonna fit or I'll have to use a small size. God, it's not easy to do it yourself. I think this is also a little too big. So I might go with size small. So the problem with this one is for my lashes, like the lift part, this will work good, but because my eyes are wider than this, so part of my lashes would not be able to even fit on it. So we'll have to go with the bigger size, bigger than this. So I guess M is the size we're gonna be using. Or I think I have gummies. Oh yeah, I can use the gummies. So I have, yeah, I'm gonna use the gummies. So the gummy shields are the ones that we don't need to put anything on it. They come with the sticky thing in itself, so we don't need to stick it to the stick it to the lids with the glue. I can just stick it like that and it'll stay there. So I think small gummy shields is what I'm gonna use. So this one is on and I didn't apply any glue. I just put it on at the right place and now stuck to my lid. There. I'll do the other one. And they're both on. Now it's time to lay the lashes over the shield. All right guys, so I am gonna use a glue balm to place the lashes on the shield for today. I also have a glue that is stronger than this, but I just don't know why. I want to try this. So it comes in a packing like this. Open it. I'm just gonna scrape a little bit and then I'll use it and I'll use it to stick the lashes to the shield. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And this glue is really good in holding the lashes in place. So once I feel that the glue is on, I'm going to use a white comb to just brush the lashes and spread them evenly. Okay, so far so good. Just the last section of my lashes left. All right, so one side is done. Gosh, actually took so long, and I just realized that I have a lot of hair on my lashes that I never knew before. So it's a good thing for sure. Okay, so one side is done, and I have to do this side now. I like this one better. Okay, so both sides are properly placed now. So now it's time to put on the lift lotion and leave it on for about 5 minutes. So this is the brand that I use, the Lash Shop, and let's just apply it on the lashes now. So this lotion should not go on the tips of the lashes because they'll look fried and burnt. So I'm gonna keep it for like, it has already been 2 minutes on this side, so maybe like 2 more minutes or 3 maximum, and then I'm gonna remove it. All right, so I'm gonna remove it now. So we're supposed to remove it the same way as we've applied it. So in the same pattern. So I started from the end on this side. So I'm gonna start removing it from this side. I'm just doing it very carefully so that it doesn't go in my eye because I know it's gonna burn then. All right, this step is done. Now the next step is to tint and set the lashes, and for that I'm gonna use my tint and the setting and tinting lotion. Okay, let's mix them and apply it. And it's ready to be applied. Now for this, you just have to soak your lashes in this thing, like just apply it properly, like very generously all over the lashes from root to the tips. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it on for 6 to 8 minutes. I'm debating in my head if I should tint my lower lashes or not. I mean, I actually want to. I usually do it on my clients because it gives a very beautiful, complete look. Okay guys, so I've decided to tint my lower lashes also. Very light. Just a light swipe. Alright friends, it's time to remove it all. So let's start. Gosh, I just feel something's going in here. Okay. Just gonna take the excess with this. Okay, I'm gonna do this one first because I could feel it's gonna start to sting. And I don't want to experience that. Okay, I'm gonna clean it nicely in a minute. Just no, not enough. Wait. Okay, it's starting to burn. Okay guys, I'll just rinse my eyes and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I had to go to the washroom and rinse my eyes. But look at my eyes. I don't know if you can see or not. Oh, they look good. It looks so good. Can you see them? Oh my god. Look at that. I have lifted lashes. These are the two products that I'm going to use together. All right, friends, so that is it. Please tell me in the comments how you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video with more content. I have to do my eyebrows also. So if you guys want me to record that too, please leave it down in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Bye.